So now we shall look into the desert ecosystem. So whenever we speak of desert, then you will remember immediately, your mind will go to Rajasthan. Okay, all these places like Jaipur, Jaisalmer, all these places in the deserts are located mostly in the Rajasthan in India, and you have got of course the world famous Sahara deserts also. I am fortunate that I had visited these places what I spoke just now. So these deserts and semi-arid areas are located in western India and the Deccan Plateau. The climate of these vast tracts is extremely dry. Dry in the sense because there is no rainfall. One thing, there are no trees there, so there is no transpiration. Okay, there are no water bodies where the evaporation will take place. So the moisture in the air is very low. Like now we are staying in this coastal belt like Goa and Karwar. Here the moisture humidity levels are very high. So this area, our area is hot and wet region where there is high humidity, 50, 60, 70% relative humidity is there. But here in this desert it is hot and dry. So this also has sand dunes. I think you have seen all the advertisements and all the movie songs are shot now. The song sand dunes, like small mountains of this sand. These are also areas covered with sparse grasses and few shrubs, which grow if it rains. The rainfall is scanty and sporadic. So here, first of all, like in our region, like what coastal region we are staying, here the rainfall is for almost 4 to 5 months in a year. But whereas in the desert ecosystem, it hardly rains. Okay, there is no regular rainfall like what is happening here. So the rainfall is very less, and because the rainfall is very less and happens only at times, not regularly, therefore it is this only very few area of this desert ecosystem is covered with grass or some few shrubs. You don't find trees, you only find small grasses or shrubs. In an area, it may rain only once every few years. So rainfall, as I was telling, is very less, scanty and sporadic. Sporadic means sometimes, like now it is we are discussing, it happens only sometimes in a year or sometimes in few years. Deserts and semi-arid regions have a large number of highly specialized insects and reptiles. So I think in deserts you find lot of reptiles like lizards, no? And moreover, this camel, which is adapted to this desert ecosystem. See what has happened now, because of this scanty rainfall, not availability of less availability of water. The camels have adjusted themselves, and they have tall legs. So you'll find lot of camels in the desert ecosystem, as they have adapted themselves, so they can go without water for a lot of time, not like other animals. Okay, so this was about the desert ecosystem which is available in western India as well as the Deccan Plateau.